Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use Note Assist AI feature on Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Let's have a look. First, open Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Then scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Tap Advanced Intelligence. Then tap Samsung Notes. Simply turn on Note Assist. Tap OK. Now go back to settings and close Settings app. Now I would like to show you how to summarize notes with Note Assist. First open Notes app. Then open the note you would like to summarize. Tap AI feature from bottom menu. Then tap Summarize. Immediately you will see Note summarized. You can tap 3 lines on top right. Then you can select Summary Detailed Style. Also you can use AI icon to translate, or you can use auto format. So these are the steps to use Note Assist AI on Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.